So high level, a public adjuster represents the policyholder in the insurance transaction. So that's a lot of fancy words. So what does that actually mean? Let's say you own your home and you're going to file an insurance claim. Something happened to your house. It could have been that your washer, exploded and leaked water all over your floors, or it could have been that you got hit with a hailstorm or a tornado smacked you or something along those lines and caused some sort of damage. Now you're filing an insurance claim. When folks go through that insurance process, disproportionately, that process is completely managed by the insurance company. So the people you're paying your premiums to are the ones that you're basically picking up the phone and saying, hey, come out and tell me how much money you owe me, right? So think about that kind of within the context. And so unfortunately what happens, how that manifests is that the insurance companies often will delay payment. They'll underpay that consumer, significantly, or they might just outright deny, even though they actually owe them the money,
Right.
And so as a public adjuster, we come on as what's called a letter of representation with us. We're going to take that, file it with the insurance company. We're going to write an estimate, do an inspection, write an estimate, size up the value of that loss. We're going to submit that to the insurance company. And then we negotiate on that consumer's behalf with the insurance company to hold them accountable for what they actually owe under that person's policy based on the reality of the damages. And so at a high level, that's what a public adjuster does. There's a lot of kind of nuance. How do we go about that? When we say negotiation, what does that mean? But the overall framework, that's what.
And I think a lot of the DNA of the people that it might be really good for, those people that do have that advocacy, they want to stand up for the people. Because I feel like you don't even know that that's an option. I didn't even know it was an option until we connected, that you can't actually do something like that. So that's why I feel like there's not as much information out there. And I feel like that's where it's a really tremendous opportunity, it sounds like.
Yeah, I'd agree. I think that awareness for us is a double-edged sword, right? On the one side, it works to our benefit